We'll guide you through how to fix an external microphone not working on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've just gone and plugged in an external microphone and you're finding that it's not working. We've got some different fixes you can try, so let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is just make sure there's not a physical mute or unmute button on the microphone. Make sure that it's not muted. Then what you can do is go to the bottom right of your computer and find the sound icon and right click on it and press sound settings. In here, you need to go and scroll down to input. Make sure the external mic you just plugged in is selected here. If it isn't showing up, we'll cover that in a moment, but make sure you select it. And when you do, scroll down, make sure that it's not muted here, and you can go and increase the volume here as well. If that still doesn't fix it or it's not showing up here, simply try unplugging it and replugging it. You could try using a different port as well. Go and see if that solves it. If you're finding it's not showing up here though, then you want to go and scroll down, find the option for more sound settings. In here, coming to recording, and then go and find it. Make sure it's not disabled. You can right click on it and go and enable it, and then it should go and appear in this list here and you can go and select it. If it still isn't working, come into advanced and you can find the option for input devices. You can go and click there and go through the troubleshooter. Hopefully now it's gone and been fixed. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.